This is the LED putting green set. It's a very nice tool for our game. For you can play to improve your game, as well as just in general you can play with your kids and family. Everybody can take turns playing it. It comes with one putting, 3 LED balls and 3 LED discs and this whole base which you can set up anywhere at your home, and then you can take turns playing around. It doesn't occupy too much space, so it's nice and it's very fun. You can see it for kids because it doesn't have like a slightly smaller ball, but technically you can also play as well. It's not heavy. So let me open this and show it to you. Okay, so this thing has a little bit of a slope, so it's not like just straight green. You have to supposed to have a little bit force, otherwise if you don't put it with enough force it will not go inside. So, and these are the 3 balls. Wow. This is the manual.
But I did it in my bag.
And I'm going to now remove the disc.
I cannot get it, but it's in my bag.
Let me remove the disc.
You will get it. You can't get it. You can because I...
So essentially you get the 3 balls here, then this 3 discs. I removed this one disc. Here's the on off button. Here. You can see the light is coming on. And you're supposed to turn on the light. Yeah, no, it's on the other side, with the other side button.
So,
press where it says on off.
on off.
Yeah, press it, you're not pressing it tightly. Okay, and now you can see my daughter is doing it. No, put it down and then do it. Yes, you can see how she's changing the colors. Okay, you can replace the battery, but you have to remove this on off button here and remove this thing here and then replace the batteries. You can see this is the red color here. That's how you're supposed to place it. As I press it, the color changes. You can also change it to multicolor, turn off, red, green color and so on, purple, blue color and so on, right? And then that's how you can set up all the 3 trays here. So what you're supposed to do is, once you get all the 3 trays here, turn them on. Okay, so this is a little bit, first of all, can you put it aside? This is a little bit up. You want to essentially have something to press it here for some time, so it stabilizes and it becomes. You can see there is still some slope here, so you still need to apply a little bit of force. Now, just for now, I'm just going to put this for now here, so that it basically just becomes a little bit tighter, and eventually it will settle, and then it becomes like this, and it will no longer be upstairs. But once it is down, you are supposed to just place this trays here like this. Right, and then raise here for now, just so that it was rolled, right? So I want to make sure it's stretched and it's proper, so I'm keeping this. Like this. I'm placing it here. Virti, are you watching, Virti?
Yeah.
And notice how Papa put it in the aim, right?
I'm going to
Yes. So first of all, you are not supposed to rush, okay? Let's keep it here first. Stand here, please. Use both your hands and slowly. And then aim, and then hit, okay? 1, 2, 3. Good job, but you have to have little bit more force, okay? Okay, both your hands, just first set it up and aim. No, not like this. Like this.
Slowly, but.
And took, okay? Do it, you do it. Yeah, did you see how it went?
I was like, love it.
Yeah. You're supposed to hit it. Not like this, see. You're not holding it correctly. Okay, Papa will teach you for now, okay? And essentially you have 3 balls, and then you can decide, okay, I want to put it in the blue one, red one, and green one, and so on, right? And you can essentially put it. And this is how you play this whole thing. You can also replace the batteries of this thing here. So you do have that option. So yeah, really nice and fun, and that's what it says. Very happy with it. Okay, thank you.